Hello friends, there is a industry which is growing consistently. When ladies started to buy jewelry, from that time itself, it's continuously growing, never going back. Okay, and we are working with that industry, which is jewelry making, and previously it was uh, making like handmade. They are sketching through hands, and they are making uh, through handmade with the metal. And nowadays industry growing, and new developing also coming with the industry. Nowadays almost all jewelry is making through means software, and we're calculating everything through the software. We can visible the all jewelries before make the physical. So this also one of that software which is here mentioned, Rhino, Rhinoceros, Rhinoceros. So this all, it's almost we are working with that nearly 23rd years with the software. So every time they are upgrading the software, and it's growing every time. Every 1 or 2 years they are upgrading. They are releasing new model, new version. It Why I am saying this? Its industry is continuously growing. If not industry growing, why they are releasing a new version? Correct. So this is that software which is Rhino. So now we can learn from this, and you also can observe how we can work with this software. So let's start. Okay, this is a software display which we would have been seen in 10th or 11th graph paper. But that graph paper is the same. This is this is y-axis. This is y-axis, and this is z-axis, and this height we can see like z-axis. Correct. Z-axis, three axes are the with three axes are where it's joining that area called zero. This is zero. This is y-axis. This is z-axis. X, Y, and the height will be considered as z-axis. That all were joining that area zero. If we starting any designs, it's a better way to start from zero. To start from zero, how we can start means this point we are putting in zero. Means just click that point, zero, enter. That point will be placed in zero, and exactly will be placed in zero. And the software, many kind of software is there. Many kind of software, visual CAD, and means or uh, some other software also. But Rhino is the base of all softwares. Rhino is the base of all softwares. So Jewel CAD is little bit different, but Rhino, Matrix, and which are is coming right now, Matrix Gold, Rhino Gold, and whatever is coming, they're all base software is Rhino. If you learn Rhino, then you can work with all other softwares like Matrix and other any of software. So we'll learn Rhino first, and later we can go other software also. So yes, already informed. This is the Rhino display. So this is the command bar. If you type any of command, here also you can select from A type. All commands will come which is starting with A. No need to learn all the things. So just what are the required, what are the necessary command that we can learn. That's it. No need to learn all the things. Just I am saying where we can get the command. A next B. All B starting command will become. Okay. Bend, blend curve, blended, all will explain later. Next we can see KJ edit calculator, all things will come. Okay, the way I am selecting from here, the same things with here also the same thing will be undo, redo, undo, multiple cut, copy, paste, delete, select objective means this arrow mark it's indicating the many of other commands included. Dimension type means other commands are there. Blocks means other commands are there. Wherever the arrow mark in there, so we should consider as many of command inside of that command, inside of that arrow mark. Okay, which is not there, then that particular one command is there. This is the only polyline means only polyline. We can select command from command bar, and here the same all the things given here as icon. Correct. This is the same thing where you can select here line, simple and single line. Okay, here also you can select single line, same single line. Okay, the same thing, single line. That's it. The double line. The same things you can select from here also. Line, line, mid line. The all things we can select from command bar or here, or we can select from icon. Okay, so now we will see each and every command and that work particular commands or how that command is working with the software. Okay, this if anybody come through diploma means ITI diploma or engineering, they would have seen this view in their drawing class: top view, front view, and right view. This is perspective. Top view means any of object how it looks from top, that particular top view from the top area. The same how it's looking from front means front side. The same how it's looking from right side. Okay, this is the thing. So for example, if we say if we say on a glass, we will make just drawing, just make a glass. So we'll make a glass. That glass. just we try it. It will look from top view like this. The same will visible like this from front view. The same things will visible from right view. This is the things I am explain the same how it will visible from top, front, and side view. So the same thing is here. You can see how it will rotate and all the things. Correct. And this is the display. If you want to zoom anything, you can just scroll down, it will zoom out. If you scroll up, it will go to zoom out. And if you want a normal view, then this is the four view port. You can just double click, it will all come normal view. Correct. And if you want to work any particular view, you can double click from here. You can double click from, again if you want to see all the view, again either four view. Okay. If you want to do work from front view, you can double click and you can work only front view. If you want to right view, you can double click. And if you want to see through perspective, you can double click and again four view. Okay, so now you would have been understood how we can visible all the four view and single view. Correct. So next, already I told how we can start any work through means zero. This is the points which will all rangoli. We can say example like rangoli. All the rangoli is connecting through a point. So the same thing here also. All the things will connect through points. Okay, this is a point. For example, we selected the points. Just 0 and end. The point will be placed in exact 0. Exact 0. You can check for all view. Complete. All view. Complete. It's placed in a 0. Okay. The same thing is there. Two commands is there. Single point, multiple points. So if you normal click, it will one time. Just command will do that work, will be ended. Correct. And then next is multiple points. Multiple, if you do right click, it could have been so either mentioned like multiple points. Just you click right click, a normal click here, all point will never end until again you cancel this. Cancel, then it will remove from command. Okay. If you select, if you want to select, you can select all the things and delete. Okay. And this single point and multiple point. Correct. We have seen. This is the cancel. Now you can see the cancel. This is one time cancel. Normal click, one time cancel, which we selected the command, it will gone. It will went off, and again if you want to select, again you need to select. But here history will be there. Here history will be there. You can check the whole which command you have used. All the things here history will come. And if you right click, all command will be which are you select, all the history will be removed from that. Here all the things will be removed. All the command will be removed. Normal click and right click. Right click. So here you can check that command which you have selected. Select none. Okay. This command you have selected. Cancel command we have checked, and point command also we have checked. Means single cancel, cancel all, single point, multiple points. These two today we have learned. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye.